Alright everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to Aloft. Already, I did move my island, and I finished off, it should be this island. I did leave the exploring a little bit left, so we'll hit this one, then we'll hit the primary island I wanted to come here for. Because the main reason I didn't want to do too much exploring is I saw a lot of glowy things, so I figured you guys might want to see. Let's see, key. No, there's a chest over here. Not much there. Let's see, what else was there? Ooh, hello beetle. Take you. Another pickaxe that I can destroy. Okay, some pages, another glowy thing, which is another key. What's in you? Bricks. Terracotta. Why could I not take that? Oh. My inventory's full. Well, let's hit my home island real quick to empty out my inventory. Not sure why I didn't do that in between episodes, but hey, why not? Let's see. That's right. You actually got filled up already. Let's take the frogs out. Toss them in here. There we go. And I do have carrot seeds now. Let's go ahead and stick those down. Alright, now let's head back. Should give me more than enough space. Overshot. There we go. Ooh, hello. Don't want to leave that fancy wood laying around. See, another piece of paper. Chest to use one of the keys on. See anything fancy. Another key. Ooh, some more bones. Fruit salad. Not bad. About you. What is down here? Nothing really. Let's see. Another fancy rug. Well, at least I know I got plenty of keys. Oh, that's just regular stone. Well, I think that's everything here. So let's fly to that island. I think I'll touch down some tea, and reapply my tomato soup. My inventory is getting a touch on the full side. Actually, it is very full. Let's actually empty it out again. There we go. Well, that's... Let's see. Now let's head over here. What else? Speak on. Ah, that's right. Let's head over here. Clay bones. Not sure why they have a weird box thing for that, but I'm slowly gaining a nice stockpile of clay, which as soon as I can figure out how to make the crafting thing for the clay, that'll be fantastic. I'll make my new equipment later. Alright, that should be more than enough space. Let us see what we get here. Alright, so... place is golden. Let's see if we can find what it is calling our attention to. Okay, there's supposed to be something here. There's gonna be a hidden cavern, isn't there? Ooh, bones. At least if I'm reading the map right, there's supposed to be something here. Alright, how are you even supposed to get that clay? That's silly. Even the clay that's on the wall is a pain in the butt to get to. I thought this one was supposed to have something. Alright, let's check the map real quick. Maybe I'm going to the wrong island. Oh, I was going to the wrong island. So it's this island that's supposed to have it. Or maybe that's just the marker piece? That always confuses me. Why they let... Oh, never mind. The NPC marker things affect your map and tell you there's something there. Besides the fancy chests and stuff like there's not really anything here. The goat I left here. Alright, let's head back to my house. Because that was a kind of a pointless fun time. Waste of a couple of... Wait, no, I didn't eat the tomato soups after all. So there, I was really hoping I would learn something there. Let's head to this one. Then I can start circling around to the right. There we go. That direction. You know what? Let's just take my island. Be a lot easier. These islands are a good distance away. And I get the zap zap behind me. Alright, let's see what shenanigans we got here. Got one there, and got one a little ways over there. I will probably knock out the rest of these in between episodes if I am not able to do it this episode. Just judging by my clock that I actually bothered setting, I probably won't. Let's see, anything good here? Not seeing a whole lot of anything. Oh, hello. Does this island need the goat? No, it doesn't. Come here, little guy. I still have yet to get any milk from the fully grown one. Oh, pardon me. And again. And again. I got the hiccups. Yep, nothing else here. Alright, the next one is... which direction? I bet it's that one. See something that's glowy over here. Ooh, hello. Oh, of course. Wow. This ecosystem was trashed. Alright everybody, I'm actually going to have to call it here, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And I really hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!